I do think we've packed a lot of emotion into this car. You know what really convinces people? The full experience. Feeling it, sensing it, driving, as well as being driven in a Maybach is unparalleled. It's the serene feeling of being home on the road. Even before we get into the car, here's an exclusive Maybach feature I'm sure you will love. That's pretty neat, right? For the first time ever, we've got comfort doors that can open automatically, controlled from the driver's seat or with this key here. Of course, the car makes sure it's safe for other road users before opening its doors. Once inside, you can close them with a simple gesture. Honestly, as soon as this door closes, my personal recreation begins. I'm calming down, enjoying the moment after a long day. And calmness starts with silence. The S-Class is best in class when it comes to interior silence. And the Maybach S-Class again goes that one step further. With active driving noise compensation, counter noise actively creates silence. And the result is amazing. Sitting here is like putting on a pair of noise-canceling headphones. Again, you have to experience it to really get a sense what all this means for Maybach passengers.